Guys, you are back to another episode. Yes, we are still under Forex trading for beginners, and this is a simple trading strategy I'll be sharing with you. I've taught you guys everything that you need to know from the previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, please make sure you watch that video to the end so that it grabs everything. If you want to be really successful in this trading game, yes. So even in the last session of that video, I was teaching you guys that we come down and if you want to see go up, yes. So we are back. So this is my account balance. You see, I told you it's a demo account. It's still 1,000. We haven't touched it. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this account so that I can be taking you guys through slow by sure, right? Taking you so that you grasp everything. You know that this is not a scam or a story or something that I'm telling you guys, right? So that we can all be growing together. I won't get anything from it. It's just the impact that I want to be impacting to you guys. That's what I want to do. So for this, I'm going to place a trade. Watch me. I'm going to place a trade. You come to this. You see this one here. Yes, it's a magic. You need data to trade. You need to be online. You can't just be offline and be trading. Yes, so the first one, that video I was offline. That's why most of the features we didn't see, right? So I come back to this. Watch carefully. This thing here. So when you come here, this thing means a lot. There are so many terminology. You can see them. You see the sell stop, see the sell stop limit, the buy limit, the sell stop limit. I'll be teaching you guys those things another time. But for now, I want to teach you guys how to make quick money. Okay, very, very quick so that you also be a professional trader making some small monies for yourself, right? So that is it. But when you come here, this is what I want to teach you guys. There is a sell, there is a buy. So this is, let's pay attention here, guys. Pay attention. This is where we make real money. So when you see that the price is going to go up based on the candlestick that I mentioned in the previous videos, that's what I'm saying. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch that video, then like that video so that I'll get the energy to be teaching you guys more every time, right? Yes. So let's say I'm saying this will go up. Then I taught you from the previous video that the red line is the ask price and the green line is the bid price. You see, immediately I tap on the buy. Watch the red line carefully. Okay, sorry guys, I haven't done any trade on it. It's normal because I told you it's a fresh account that I've created just for the purpose of this video to be educating you. They just go to accept. They are telling you that you are going to risk your money, you are going to all those steps. You can read through if you want it. Yes, you can. It is good for you too. So you can read through. I've been doing this for the past 5 years now. So I know when to. So watch again. Let's go. So you see this red line. Watch. I place a buy. You see that the blue line started from the red line. That's where I see some people they place the trade there and they say, hey, immediately I'm in red automatically. So if you don't watch the money that if you don't watch the time frame that you are using. So let me go to one minute. You see it's huge here. Now let me go to watch again. Buy. See, because it has started, you have to wait for this blue line to come here, which is the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame is very, very huge spread. You see this is called what? Spread. Like the way you have bread and butter. So this is the top bread, this is the down bread, and the inside is spread. So the same way is called spread. The money that you be deducted, right? This is called spread. So now that is for buy. That means I was predicting go up. So you see over here it will be written by 0.01. That is the lot size. We'll talk about it. This is the lot size. We'll talk about it. Then let's go to sell. Did you see what happened? Immediately I did a sell, the bid price came over here. So I have to wait for this red line to cross over this. That means indeed before I start seeing some winnings, right? So because of how the spread the spread is on all time frame, right? But for you to get a clearer chart and get a good profitable deals and trade, that's why I recommend that you either use the 5 minute or the 15 minute. So for the purpose, if you are going to follow me and going to learn more from me, we'll be using the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, we'll be using the 15 minutes time frame. And sometimes it depends on the currency pair, right? So let's go to an example. We'll go to quotes. We want to go to the currency price. We'll go to quotes. When we go to the quote, we go to, let's say, GBP USD. Immediately tap on it. We go to chart. Wait for the chart to open. Okay, so we also have a big spread here. Let's go to Euro USD on the chart. We also have a big spread. Okay, so the spread is there. The difference that I was teaching you guys. This is the 95, 97, right? I love AUDJPY. I love this currency pair because of its volatility. It's very speed. When you have volatility, it means it is very speed, like it moves very fast, right? I said, you guys, I'm going to be real with you, going to teach you everything here on a real. So I've opened a new chart. This is Euro USD. I hope you guys are not confused. The same thing that you do in every chart is the same thing that will go everywhere. What you are learning here, what I'm teaching you guys, is the same thing that you will learn on every chart you see in the world. Whether being whatever app that they do chat, this is exactly works. I've tried many multiple platforms and it's the same thing. It is working everywhere, right? So let's go to quotes again. Let's go to my AUDJPY. Let's go to chat. Yes. So whilst we are here, I said I was going to teach you guys about the 0.01. It is called lot size. Lot size. You can Google search lot size, then you find it. This is called lot size. So the lot size is the money that will be deducted from your account balance. You see, that will be deducted from your account balance, and that money that will be deducted from your account balance is the same money that will be multiplying or demultiplying, right? So right now we are in a losing trade, so will be red to be going down. So you can see it is going 32, 31, 30, it is going 111. Provided I did a lot size, let's say 3, let's say 3, then I place a buy again because I believe this market is going up. I'll teach you guys how I'm able to spot this things. I told you I've been doing it for the past 5 years. So immediately I did it. You see it has come at 3 over here. Let's see, it has 3 over here. You can see. Then we go to trade. When you go to trade, this is what I just opened. The other option is coming. You see that immediately. This one that I did last. No, the money or the paper value is this thing you see here is money. Yes, let me even quote. This is money. All this added together is what you see here. So this is money. So even if you are not looking here and you are looking here, so this is our money going, right? This is the money we are risking. Okay. So you see that this money now we are at $1 loss. So you see it's one USD, all this combined. This money is bigger than the previous ones that I opened, the 0.01 lot sizes. But the 0.03 lot size that I opened is moving way faster than the the 0.01. Why? Because I'm using a bigger lot size. So the bigger lot size, the bigger the lot size, the bigger your money is either increasing or decreasing. Remember, this is a risky game. Is People call it gambling, but this is a prediction game. If you predict and it doesn't go on your favor, you either lose. If it goes on your favor, you win. But there is a beauty that I will show you later as we move on this video. Right? Yes. I've taken my time to take you guys through this because I said I'll not be doing any bluffing with anyone. I didn't want to do any course. I didn't want to do any video to be educating anybody anywhere. But some of you guys are saying I should do it so that you come and learn from this platform. And please make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to help you with this video. Yes. So you see that the account balance has been reduced, right? Now this account balance is minus this, right? Yes, 0.03, and it is going. We are losing $1. So let's go back to chart again. This is a demo account, so you can be playing with it, right? So guys, watch what is happening here. You see, just be watching the last candle. This is the most important candle when you are in a trade. Forget all those ones. This one is the most important one. The most important one. I'll teach you my strategy, very simple. So let's go on the lot side. It is very important because if you don't know and you go and place any lot side, guy, let me go. So let's say I'm greedy. So I'm placing, you don't know, so I just came and I did maybe lot size of 100, or let's say 10. Then I buy, even though I know it will go that way, I buy. Is it the done has come? It has given me done here, yes. It will work, oh, but watch something. Watch the amount they are deducting me. $346. This is the amount you are losing because of the spread. Remember, guys, because of the spread. That is why this thing is happening here. Because of the spread. So if you are not careful and you go and do any amount at the loss size session, you are doomed. So as a beginner, always make sure that it is on 0.01. Unless otherwise, you can see this is 0.01. Unless otherwise, the more you tap on it, the more you add it. Don't even put it at 2, put it at 1. Just put it at 0.01. If you can't do it this way, just clear everything 0.01. You saw my calculator, I did it on. Just put it there to be on the safer side, so that you'll be using it to be learning small small till further notice, right? Till further notice. So this is the lot size. I will show you how to calculate the lot size sometime to come, but this is what I'm teaching you guys here. Right. So now that you know the lot size, you know the sell, you know the buy, you know, someone said, what are you buying? What are you selling? I'm saying that, imagine you're a tomato trader. That is Forex trader. But remove the Forex, now you're a tomato trader. What are you buying and selling? You're buying and selling tomato. You sell tomato, and some people come and buy tomato from you. So we buy and sell this currency pairs here. And it can be anything, indices, metals, Nasdaq, yeah, it can be anything, right? Provided it's listed on the stock market or on the forex market, you can come and sell. So this is what we are selling and we are buying over here. So you see, we are still in red. Now let me take this opportunity, if you have watched this video to this far, to teach you my simple strategy that I'm using, and you can be using it to be learning, right? Guys, watch my lot size. You see, it has changed. Always be watching this thing. If you don't know, when you go and watch this thing and your account is $10, all your money is gone because of the spread. So let's go. Let me release this. I clear everything. 0.01. This one. One. Good. So always make sure it is on 0.01. So now you have your phone, you know into trading, because you have watched this video to this place. You know in trading, you know what's forex trading, and you know what we do in forex trading. So with this simple strategy, maybe you open your chart, a blind chart, you just go to any currency. Oh, today I want to trade AUD USD. You tap on it, you come to chart. You see that the name will come over here. Watch the name before you enter any trade. You then, let's say today I want to do USD JPY. You come to chart. You can decide on your own. There are some factors that we used to decide, like the news and the fundamentals, the sentimental. People use other stuff to study the news. Yes, so because the strategy works on every this one, that's why I'm able to do all around. So let's see. I think I've posted a strategy before on this channel. for some people to see, but I'll make it public so that you guys can go and see as well. So one important thing to know when trading with your phone is to know what we call trend. When we say trend, trend is like somebody will see this is a new trend, this is the new happening, this is the new movement, right? So when you look over here, this point here, you see I've placed a point there. I'm drawing a line. Perfect. Yes. How let me not even use this one. That guys will not get confused. I'm changing it. So if you are deleting it, yes. Yeah, let me go. No. So this is it. See, I've intentionally used the arrow one. Yes. If you become a master, you wouldn't be needing these lines and stuff again. But because of this, that's what I want to be using the lines. So I've drawn a line on GBP USD. Let's go to AUDJPY. The same line won't come here. But if I go to GBP USD, the line is here. Pay attention to every details, guys. Every detail. Let me go and do it on AUDJPY. So this is AUDJPY. The reason why I'm still insisting on a buy, but I did a sell this one. I'll clean the sell later. Is that you see, watch the lot size, guys. I'm telling you, watch the lot size. This lot size. If you don't watch it before you realize all your money is gone. 0.01. Yes. Then I come on. I tap on the screen. I go to the triangle box. Then I pick my arrow. These ones are called tools to help you trade, right? I bring it to the lowest point. This is the lowest point, guys. On what I'm seeing, this chart I'm seeing, this is the lowest point. Then I stretch it up. Then I make sure that at least it touch a point. So it has touched this point, it has touched this point. Good. So this is the reason for this name. The reason why I chose trade with trenders. I was struggling like every regular person, learning how to trade. But the key to trading is trend. As somebody will see, even you're posting on they say this is a new trend. Let me also do some. If you do the new trend, you see you'll be growing. That is simply trading. If you jump on the trend and it doesn't work quickly, you go off the trend. You keep doing the trend. Meanwhile the trend is gone. No, that one you'll be losing money. You'll be losing your how do you call it validity. So the simple strategy is when this candlesticks came down here, forget about the names and everything. I'll teach you another time. Came down here. Down here, this is the last candle here. Let me zoom out small. Watch this candle. This is the last candle, not this ones. This is the last candle here. So when this candle came here, I told you that we have the anatomy of the candle body and the candle what? The candle uh style, like the way we have the head, the legs. Yeah, I'll teach you. But for now, watch this candle that looks like a needle. This is the head. This is the toe. This is the top. This is the tip, right? So let me go and bring a ruler. This is it. I go back again. All these tools here are for I'll use so you can pick it. I go to the one that is done. I come to this tip. I draw it to the very end. I go again and pick another one because I need two. I bring it here. So then you see that all I'm doing is taking time. Like I'm using time. I've used about 4 minutes in doing this. So if you are doing and you are doing other stuff, you will come and all your money is gone. You wouldn't even be making any money. So you see this candle here. This market was going down. The price was going down. But immediately this candle ended, there was a candle that came and took this last candle's high. You see, this is called the highest point high in the low. This is a simple strategy I'm teaching you guys here. So immediately it broke high, the candle body. You see the box one is called body. I'll explain to you later. Candle body break above, that means we are coming to go up. So now we started to go up, 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 and we are still going up and it's still making us money, right? And if you have to stay in this trade for, let's say, from all that time, this is a 15-minute candle. So from all that time, you'll be going small, 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 small. By now, you will be in, let's say, even the small one, I'm in a loss of, forget the big one, it was a mistake. So let's say I'm in a loss of $2, $3. So if you were to use this one by now, you'll be in a profit of 0.01, you'll be in about $10 profit. So now that was the strategy there I just taught you guys. So we are going till all these imbalances are left. They are called imbalance. I'll teach you guys another time. It's called imbalance. So let me bring another line. Trading is fun when you know what you are doing. So guys, take time, watch this video to the end and learn whatever I'm teaching you and you enjoy it. So we are seeing that it will go out to reach the side. So when it come here, we are done, then we look for another setup for the day. So let me use, so watch this candle, the high, the low, the low, the high, the low, this is the high. So with my strategy, I'm bringing a plus sign. Watch the plus sign. So this is the low, this is the high. The last candle before we place the trade was to come somewhere. Look at the red line here. So that's the candle high, that's the candle body. The candle body has been broken down, but since the trend is still on the uptrend, we are praying that it goes up. That is our hope, that it goes up, and I know that it will go up. I wanted it to move so that I can show you guys. That's why I'm studying um BTC and cryptocurrencies for now, because it's moving very very fast from there. So you can be seeing quick profit. Sometimes it can stay like this for the whole day. There's nothing moving, it's just one small amount moving. Let me close this big one. Okay, guys, let me teach you how to close the trade. Yes, sorry. So if you want to close a trade, maybe you did a trade and you are in loss or in profit, you come this way, you scroll to the left, then you see the one that is ticked. This one, you click on it, close with loss. It's close. You'll be hearing this sound more often. Pure, sure, pure, sure. Let's see. The sell prediction, right? I don't want the sell prediction. So it's gone. Yes. So now this is the predictions I want. I'm speculating that it will go up. Sometimes it can stay like this for the whole day. The yes, that is trading for you. So the bigger loss size you use, the bigger money or the bigger loss that you get. So this is what we'll be using for some time now. And this is how it is. So let's see. Let's wait small. Let's wait small and see. If you have any question, you can drop it. I'll be answering your question from the side. Yes. So this is the simple strategy I'm teaching you guys. So when you see something like this, now there is no low. Always when you come to the chart, start from your left. Push it to the left side. Start from your left. Look from the left. This is the last candle. It's red, red, red. You come to green, red. You come to green. It doesn't. The color doesn't matter. Then you look at the highest point. This is the highest point, right? This is the lowest point. Then you check from the lowest point. Okay, this is the lowest point. This is the highest point. Then you wait for price to either break the higher point or the lower point. Always remember, break is done with the candle body. I said break is done with the candle body. What is the candle body? It's the box that you see. So you waited, you waited. Let me bring it another line. You waited at the tip here to see what will happen. This is the quickest way to make money with your phone. So I'm telling you guys, so just subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Please like it for others to have a look at this video that I'm suffering to make to you guys because I don't like teaching people online like this. I always love it when people come to face and I teach them, but this is a recorded version, so I'm trying my difficult. I want to see people teaching them. So let's go again. I'll pick another line. Yes, and it's it. Still on the strategy I'm teaching you guys for free. Yes, note there is there is some tapping on the line, but it is what it's just the wick, it's just the line, it's not the candle body, so we don't appreciate it. But when you watch this side, there was a break. This is a big break. So if I was watching this trade, yes, so guys now will be in blue. So you see, so now you are making profits. Sometimes I said you can be staying on this trade and be making profits. I know price will get here, but it won't be now. Okay, it will take time. We now see data unless there is news or there is some speculation before we get the big spike. Let's go back to the strategy. So you see this blue one. Unless you wait for this green one to break above the highest point, so you wait for it to close. When you close, when the candle stop, that's what we call close. Let's wait and see if this one will close. I'll show you. You're watching the scan. When you close, that means now it is confirmed that it is still going to go up. So immediately you place a trade here. You do what you buy. When it's going up, you buy. When you anticipate that it will go up, you buy. When you anticipate that it will go down, you sell. So you quickly place your buy trade here. When you place your buy trade here, your stop loss will be somewhere here. Yes, and I just mentioned another one called stop loss. We'll learn about it sometime. And watch carefully. You can even put your stop loss below the candlestick, right? But sometimes the spread comes and take you out. So I'll teach you another one. So please subscribe to this channel. Let's, so when you place it here, see price keeps going up. It never came breaking this level. If price had broken this swing point, we'll see that we are going down. Then we also sell. So now let's wait. If this candle breaks above this line here, let me bring my ruler. I didn't want this video to be long, but guys, I'm sorry. I think I need to still record this video. So where's the swing? The highest swing point. The highest swing point. So if price close above this line that I just drew here, yes, if price close above it, that means that we can still be doing some buys. Where you hear some people say ta 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 ta, yes, ta ta ta. So you wait, you don't do anything. Let's go and see. So you see now you're in a profit of 90. So let's say I want to close one. No, I want to let me close one of the ones. Then come to close profit down here. Guys, watch something. You see that, as I said, even though this one is 1, this one is 3, you see the difference is moving big 75, 74 because of the loss size. So if you don't know and you did a loss size, let's say the the 10 that I did, see, I've closed it, but would have been in a huge profit, but I've closed it. I wanted you guys to focus on the small monies, not big monies first. Focus on the small monies first. You see now, now this is the history I was talking about. So someone will tell you we won a trade today. What showed that we won a trade? It was blue all out, it was red all out. Watch this side for the profit session. It was blue, was red. Okay. That's the most important thing. Yes. I want this trade to close so that we can we can see what I'm teaching you. So this you can arrange it. You know, some people arrange it, they put the blue ones first, then you see blues, say that the blues are winning. See red, you see red. Charlie, all be settings, right? I'm trying my best to teach you and not to bluff to anyone. I want us to all win together. If we are winning enough of all the scammers that are scamming people. So subscribe, like, and share to other people so that other people can come and learn from us. So as I'm saying, I want this candle to close. I want this candle and go to buy. Should I use them? Okay, don't worry. Now, if we're to use M5, like this candle has closed above this the points that I drew. So that means indeed they are going up, so we can be buying more. Yeah, that. Mhm. So now we have bought more. Remember, it stays in red first. Yeah, you can. I was pressing this here because it's a demo account. That's why I'm just doing this. The account balance is so huge. That's why I'm doing this, right? Mhm. So let's wait for the 15 minutes candle to close then. Yes, then now. So guys, maybe I have to end this video. Okay. We are about closing. We are about closing. We are about closing. We are about closing. It's 40. So let's watch. So you can be trading with any time frame that you want, but because of this spread, that is why I encourage Forex trading Forex to be on the 15 minutes. Because of the spread, it's so huge. Maybe you deposited like $10 and you want to, and the spread is getting this big. When are you going to make money? We need money too, guys. We all need money. So let it stay on this level, right? Let's try and let it stay on this level. 15 minutes. I know some of us want very quicker money. I want you to grasp with this. If you grasp with this, I will advance you guys to the ones that I'm studying and I know they move very fast. Like if it was to be the currency or the coins that I'm trading, like by now would this is 42 will be like 440 pips. Yes, it moves very fast. Very fast. It moves very fast. So just that's why I'm telling you guys that you need to be patient and you need to be focused. Like you can't be doing this and be chatting. You see, whilst we are doing this, sorry guys, whilst we are doing this, it's slow, very slow. You see, this thing is not making any money. Yeah, it's not making money. Let me go and chat and come. Before you go and chat and come, something has happened. You missed it. Maybe you needed to close the trade somewhere. You missed it. Let me use this opportunity to teach. I wanted to teach in the next lesson, but let me use the opportunity to teach. So, I wanted this trade to close, so that's okay. So let's go and close some trades so that we can get the focus to teach you other things. There is something that you can do. We come to these three lines here. Is you close or profitable position, close or close profitable, close losing. So I don't want to close all. If you are in a winning trade and the money is big and you want to, that's when you can do this. But this one I want to be doing it manually so that you get some to teach you guys. The price, yes, you go to accept. It's good that you guys are seeing this. So when you see anything that is very from what I've not taught you, you can screenshot it to me immediately. I'll reply to you. So mhm. Now let me teach you guys. So what I wanted to teach you is what we call stop loss and TP. Take profit. What is take profit? You see, when we're doing it, it was telling us close profitable position, close losing position. Yes. So when you are in a losing trade and you don't want to lose more than, let's say, I come on this, I'll be doing this with you subsequently so that I get to say, I come on this trade and I want to trade with, maybe I want to lose maybe $5. And after getting when the price comes here, I'll that means my $5 is exhausted. You tap, I'm using this 0.01 here, right? You tap on the 0 point, this is what SL means stop loss. See, it is coming, it is down because it's going up. But when it comes down to this level, that means price should take me out. Or it should take me out, otherwise my money will finish. Then the TP that I drew, as a take profit. I'll do it to it's about $40. And I go to the side, modify. You got it, guys. Yes. So this is just a simple. So maybe you see a trade, someone will send a signal, maybe then you go like TP. This immediately when you are done with the trade, tap one here, tap SL or TP. Let me see. Also SL here. Another is here. Good. So guys, this is 15 minutes as close. Let's go and see 15 minutes. So 15 minutes has closed, you can see from the last end, right? So now that price has closed as I insisted. I move this to close above this line. It means we're going up to that tick level. So just be buying more, buying more, be buying more. If you have the capital, you can be buying more. This is a simple strategy I'm using in the 15 minutes, right? So be buying more. I will come and show you the results later on this one because I don't want this video to be very, very long. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned something. Please subscribe, like to this video, like this video so that other people can also benefit from as well. Thank you. Remember, I was telling you in the video that in this time when you are trading with phone, you can't be doing and be doing other stuff. So remember that, yeah. So I had some emergencies and I didn't push stop loss, I didn't push TP, everything. But you see, our setup played. We're targeting this point over here, but the trade went all the way, which gave us a good TP, right? But that is trading for you. If you don't put stop loss, if you don't put TP, I mean, things would have really, really gotten bloody for us. So we went all the way up to a good level, 93 points, yeah, good level. Then it dropped this evening massively. So if you are using the strategy that I taught you today about the trend thing, you know that over here the trend you still bring it. Let me put it down. So far as this was our trend, this thing has shifted. This trend line will be somewhere. Yeah, this trend line will come somewhere here. Will come somewhere here. Still indicating an uptrend. So far as there hasn't been any candle breakdown, you remember, it will still be going uptrend. So watch all these candles, study all these candles carefully. Study them carefully. You can take a screenshot and study. See that none of the candles broke below any other candle. But when price go to this higher point here, this was the higher point. Then this was the lowest point. Then we had this candle breaking down, down, down. So if you're watching this trade, you could have, if you want to see the time, you go to the plus section. You could have this particular candle I've placed on. Then you come down here and come and watch the time. It was, yeah, so it was around 7:45. Yes, so that's when you could have entered for some sales and targeted the lower low that we placed. So now we are in a very big drawdown over here. We have made some loss because we didn't put stop loss or TP. So I just wanted to add this one up because I just finished my schedules and this is what I'm having for you guys. So still keep subscribing. I'll add it to the previous video before I upload so that you guys can learn more. Okay, if you have any question, let me know. I'm closing all trade, close all losing or close all positions. I've closed everything, so we are in the negative. When it comes to history, you see that that means negative. You had only some small profit, but I'll be taking time to take you through properly so that I will be having more. It's just that because of the tutorials, I couldn't place a stop loss. Would have if I placed TP here, as I indicated, you remember, by now would have been in good profit. Okay, but then place my stop loss somewhere below here. I mean, would have been in good profit before. So guys, this is all for this. Let me know your comment.